Hi everyone, I am the founder of the Grey Blind Owl. Today we will write our first program with you. However, before we do that, we need to install our first compiler. If you started watching us with this video and you do not have any knowledge about compilers or C language, I recommend you to watch the first two videos of our lecture series. You can reach them from the information button in the upper right corner. Okay, let's start then. The first thing we have to do is open a new browser page. Then we need to type download dev C++ in the search bar. Like that. Then we prefer the page with the link sourceforge.net. We click on it. We click the download button. We will wait for download. Okay, it starts, but I will pause it because I downloaded it before. After your download is complete, we open our installation file, downloads, dev C++ setup. We choose the language we want to use our compiler in. We accept the license terms. We choose the installation type as full installation and do not touch the following text. If you want to use another compiler but you want to see dev C++, you can remove the associate C files with dev C++ option. We choose which directory to install our compiler and install it. That's it. After these processes, we restart our system in order to get a correct performance. Okay, we will reboot our system. We have now installed and ready to use our first compiler. Let's create our necessary page for our first program. File, New, Source file, or you can do Ctrl+N combination. Here is the editor where we will write our code. I do not expect a whole understanding of this lecture for what we will write from you. I just expect you to pay attention to general syntax and general relationships while writing code. Let's start. First of all, we will include a library which is a must for C. Into our code, we call it stdio.h. Libraries offer us ready-to-use package functions that speed up our work. It has other duties as well, but for now, this will be enough for us. Let's include it. Hashmark, include, brackets, stdio.h. Yes, we did that. Now, we need a function that will fulfill the purpose of our program. Every program has a main idea and a main function. Let's create that. Int main, brackets, and curly brackets. We created a function, its name is main and its type is int. This is a classic. You do not have to worry about data types like integer because we will talk about in the following lesson. Now, we are going to tell it, in curly brackets, what we want our program to do. We ask our program to say hello to an earthling, then let's ask it to print hello earthling on the screen. For this, we use the printf function in our library that we defined above. I know you are wondering what the semicolon at the end of our command. In C language, it means, hey compiler, my command ends here. You do not have to consider it anymore. At this stage, our program is doing its job, but we need to inform our compiler that everything is okay, in our opinion, and we will want it to finish our program. Therefore, we will use return 0 for this. Great, we wrote our first program. Now, we have to compile it and after run it. Execute, compile and run. We give our program a name and save it as C file. As you can see, hello earthling. Congratulations, you are a programmer now. We will talk about data types and variables at the following lecture and make you an efficient programmer than you are being now. Stay tuned.